In today's video, I'll teach you how to earn $500 in free PayPal money by simply pressing one button. To earn this 100% passive income over and over, all you have to do is watch the entire video and follow the steps in this video. The best part is that this method is absolutely free and accessible from anywhere in the world. You might not make any money at all if you don't follow all the procedures, so pay attention. As a result, please pay close attention to the video's ending. Okay, so first and foremost, I want you to go to these 4 websites and create a free account. The second step is to access the secret tool and hit a single secret button that I'll reveal later. Step 3 is that the secret software will automatically do all of the work for you. Last but not least, we must copy and paste this content into this box. You can earn anywhere from $100 to $500 by following these procedures. Continue watching up until the end because I'll reveal a bonus website that will pay you the most money on autopilot. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. The first website we'll be using is this one right here on your screen. When we get to this website, scroll down to the bottom and look for this section that says transcribers. Now, click on it because we're gonna be transcribing on this website. We'll be directed to this page where we can earn anywhere from $5 to $25 for every audio file we transcribe. This means that for each audio file we transcribe, we'll be paid somewhere between $5 and $25. Now, if you use the secret tool that I'm gonna show you at the end of this video, you can transcribe the entire audio or video file in a matter of minutes. You only need to press one button and everything will be taken care of for you. The best part is that you can keep repeating this process and earning money. You can literally make tens of thousands of dollars on autopilot. The requirements to do this can be found right here. As you can see, you'll need a verified PayPal account if you want to be paid through PayPal. What I like best about this website is that they will give you a monthly $5 bonus for every 3 hours you complete, which may not seem much at first, but it adds up quickly. So let's go to this website known as scribey.com. Sign up for a free account and start making money. This is the second website where you can make money by transcribing. The first thing you should do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and select work. After that, you'll be directed to this page where you can apply for transcription jobs all over the world. Here, you can even watch this video if you want to learn how this actually works and how you can get started and stuff like that. As you can see, you can make up to 60 cents per audio minute, which is a pretty fantastic deal. The average monthly earnings are around $150, but if you use that secret tool, you can easily earn much more than $150. Also, top monthly earnings are around $1,200, so all we need to make money on this website is a computer and an internet connection. The best thing is that they pay on a weekly basis via PayPal. Once again, the name of the website is gotranscript.com. This website right here will be the next website where you can get paid for transcribing various video files. You have to click on the jobs button, which will take you to the next page where you can set up an account and begin earning money. As you can see, you can work from home and calculate your pay right here. So you'll be paid anywhere between $15 and $22 per audio hour, which is pretty fantastic. And the top monthly earnings are around $200. Consider how much money you could make if you use this strategy. And the best part is that you won't have to do anything. Other people who work on these websites put in a lot of effort and spend hours upon hours transcribing audio files. But with this secret tool, you can make thousands of dollars over and over again in less than a minute each day. It's incredible. And the reason those guys are putting in so much effort is that they are unaware of the secret tool that will be revealed later in this video. By the way, the name of this website is called transcribeme.com. So now let's move on to the fourth website. Also, stay tuned for the video's highest paying website at the end. The name of the website is rev.com. When you get to rev.com, scroll down to the bottom and click on freelancers. There are thousands of transcribing jobs waiting for you, and they also allow you to work as much or as little as you want whenever you want, because rev.com provides a very flexible work schedule. If you scroll down, you can see how much you can earn with this website. You'll earn anywhere between 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute. Yes, this is insane. You don't have to do any work, you don't have to put a lot of time into this, and you can easily use the secret tool to make thousands of dollars on complete autopilot. Now, scroll down below and click on this button to create an account on rev.com. So I just showed you 4 websites where you can get paid to transcribe audio files. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying easy money online, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So if we get 2,000 likes on this video, we'll launch an insane brand new video that might even be cooler than this. So comment easy money online down below. We'll be releasing a new video next week to show you how to make even more money online by performing basic jobs like these on your computers or mobile phones. So let's get back to the video now. Now let's get to that secret tool and start making money on autopilot. After we sign up on all of these 4 websites, they'll give you transcription jobs that you can complete and earn money. So for example, let's take a look at the Rev website. You'll be given audio and video files to transcribe just after you complete the registration. To use this free secret tool, get a transcription job and then go to this free secret tool. This is the secret tool, and this is how it appears, and I want you to take a look at it right now. When we click this button, the tool will analyze the audio and type the words into this box, implying that all we have to do is click this button and upload the audio file, and the tool will automatically transcribe it for us. This tool will type all of the words for you, and you can also use this button to upload your audio file. Every word spoken by the audio file is automatically typed into this tool. As you can see, I'm not doing anything, and this is taking care of everything. Once again, all you have to do is click record audio and play your audio or video file, and this tool will handle the transcription for you. Okay, as you can see, I transcribed the entire audio file, and it only took a few minutes for this tool to transcribe the entire audio file. You must complete one important task, which is to read this text and verify that the tool typed the correct words. It's very easy to do and anyone can do it. Simply read it aloud and see if the tool correctly typed in each word. After you've double-checked everything, simply copy this text and paste it into that website. But before we do that, this tool is called Watson Speech to Text. Just go to speech-to-text-demo.ng.bluemix.net. However, you should copy this text right now and then submit it to the website. Once you've completed that, they'll review your text file and pay you. As you can see, this is a very simple method that anyone can use without any prior experience, skills, investment, or effort. This is the best method for you if you want to make a lot of money without having to do anything. With that said, I'll now show you the highest paying website for transcribing audio files. This is the highest paying website, which is known as peopleperhour.com. If we search transcribe on people per hour or just click writing and translation and click transcription, we can see some jobs that we can complete and earn hundreds of dollars from. This is an excellent website for making money transcribing because new jobs are added on a daily basis. So you can do it over and over again, and these jobs pay a lot of money. This is the best website for paying you to transcribe various audio and video files. Sign up for free and start earning money right away. So that's how to get paid $500 free PayPal money by just clicking one button. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.